It does not require any extra time from you. You already cleanse the skin in the morning and at night. There are 3 steps while the cleanser is on your skin. Because right now I don't have the cleanser on my skin, I will put something on my face so I'm not tugging my skin. This is very important. Okay. Tugging the skin can cause micro tears. This is why I don't love face yoga before you do a little bit of stimulation, just getting yourself the movement, the breath, the massaging of the face, and then you can do the face yoga. If you start with face yoga, you will cause the skin to tear. So now that I put this on, pretend your cleanser is on your skin. Take 3 fingers, and I'm gonna start in the inner corner of my eye and tap very gently. Think of it as you are just causing the water underneath to move. The water is just directly under the skin on the under eye. It's not deep, so you can't push deep. Because if you push deep, you're touching the muscle, really the muscle. The face has muscles too. It has 50 plus muscles. Again, don't push harder than you need to. Very light, very almost like featherly light. Do this 10 times, back and forth from the inner corner, almost on the tip of on the bridge of the nose to the end, to the outside, okay? So we're gonna do this. You can do both hands. You see, I'm tapping it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's about 10. Yeah. And make sure you're in on the bridge of the nose because the sinuses drain this way. Okay, so that was the under eye tapping. So that was your 20 seconds of tapping while the cleanser is on. Now, after the tapping is done, you're gonna be removing the cleanser from your skin. Wet your hands and then flush. So I don't have anything under my eyes. I can't do that. So I'm gonna put it that again. Okay, so what you're gonna do is wash the cleanser off and then swipe, swipe, swipe very gently. Swipe, 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 starting in the bridge of the nose to the outside, starting the bridge of the nose to the outside, and make sure you drain that. This is, you're moving the lymph. You know this gua sha tool? It's very helpful. If you want to do the gua sha, you can. I prefer not to really look for any tools. I have my own tools. So there we go. That was tapping, swiping, and if the under eye circles are better, you can leave it at that. If you're still feeling that you're still not good, I have prepared an ice cube. This is my ice cube. It's filled with ice. No, it's filled with water, and I keep this in the fridge. And I simply just apply it to under my eye and hold it for 10 seconds. So make sure you hold it, and then you hold it the whole eye area. Make sure the whole area is touched. Good. So swipe it again, and you should not have a problem. And that's after you did your tapping and swiping. If you don't have this type of tool, an ice cube will do. So just use the ice cube. So you can bring this to your bathroom when you're cleansing and do that with the cleanser on. As the cleanser comes off, you can just use your serums, your products, whatever you have at hand. Disclaimer, I have my own private skincare line. It has active ingredients. Each product has peptides in it, vitamin C, and ingredients that will affect whatever we're working on. In this case, this is the wand that I'm going to be using for under eye circles. It is under eye shadow eraser. I named this really cute because I don't want to mention dark circles all the time. I don't like it myself. So I don't want you to feel bad when you put this on. So let's reduce the shadows. This product comes in a little push wand. There is a metal tip at the end, and you just simply push this out. The gel comes out, and it constricts when you apply it, it constricts the blood vessels under the eyes. I'm going to let it absorb. Once this absorbs, it actually feels cooling to your under eye area. So it is a lot, but it will all absorb into the skin, and it will strengthen the skin. Not only will help the blood vessels, but it will strengthen the skin under the eye. That's what I have, and I'm going to put the link under this video so you will know what this is and where to get it if you decide to do this. Okay, so for now, I wish you luck. I wish you to follow the simple process that I just showed you. And remember, if you don't move, if you are not moving the lymph nodes, it's all sitting there. It's all sitting in your head. So before you cleanse your skin in the morning, just do some breathing. When you go to the kitchen to make your smoothie or prepare something, do something to stimulate heartbeat. And once you do, you will benefit from this, what I just showed you. And of course, your skin will radiate too, because the skin will get a supply of extra nutrients. That's all what I have for you, and good luck.